whether I know the commandos very well. He said that there are some commandos, soldiers, my lord, who are very dangerous, my lord, who will shoot right up to Pretoria while they are still here. Who will be able to shoot right up to right in the middle of Pretoria while still here.
Hold on. Yeah.
Maybe there was a bit more longer. Each channel you talk about how much time I talk
those things you would take them as things some will say while they are priding themselves, my lord, priding their capabilities. My lord, I would like to indicate that I did not have any personal issues with the commander Tlali Kamoli as a person.
Yes.
Commander Kamoli, PTC.
I happened to have invited Commander Kamoli for the lunch at PTC. And he honored my invitation.
When was that?
I just forget the dates, my lord.
Was it before the bombings or after? After the bombings?
Yes.
And him, in the same way, we went to have food there at the LDF, my lord.
And I would also assume it was after the bombings.
Yes, ma'am.
It was.
Yes.
It was because I was taking some steps to indicate that no, I have no crisis with him. My only concern was that one that I was indicating.
Just hold on. You make reference to the meeting arranged by the director NSS, who were present in that meeting, if you could recall.
Director NSS. I only remember that we had